So when I bought this bag, I noticed that you can see like it's dark right here. Not much like on the corners, but it's dark right here, and then obviously on the strap. And then this side is lighter from where the belt is. That was the belt, where the belt buckle was. Anyways, so, and then I've noticed that it's kind of yellowish, but I don't know if that's how the bag's supposed to be. Smells like leather. And then I also noticed that there's a lot of pen marks in here too, which my other bag, my Michael Kors bag, had the same problem, and I used the LA spray and it came off very easily. But you can see, you can kind of see right here. There's pen marks right there. Right there. There's pen marks. Okay, so this is way more visible. You guys are probably thinking I was crazy, but no, I'm not crazy. Look, there's pen. All that is pen. Pen everywhere. Pen, pen, pen. On the sides, there's pen marks everywhere, guys. Oh my gosh. There's pen there. This is what I was talking to you guys about. So all this around here is dark. And there's pen on this side too. So I got a lot to work on. But I just wanted to show you guys closer up because I wanted to, I don't know, I feel like you couldn't see it on the other one, on the flip side, because of the light. I'm not going crazy. There's a lot of pen on here that I need to work on. Alcohol works, but I tried alcohol on my Michael Kors and it took longer to, I mean, it did come off, but it took longer for me to rub it and take it off. Then I also tried this one on my Michael Kors bag, and it didn't work as well as the alcohol. So I stuck with the alcohol, and then the LA. This one helped me finish a lot quicker. So let's get this started. Let's try. Oh, look, perfect spot. There's ink there, and it's like in the, actually there's a corner here. So I'm gonna work right here in this corner. Focus right there. It's like when you fold it in, it's like on the corner. Mind you, this is suede, so it feels like suede. So there's like little hairs that have to be moving back and forth to clean that. So that's what I'm doing. I know they say blot, but if you blot it, I feel like you're not gonna take off anything. So I'm just gonna gently go in circles. I also don't want to spread the ink more than it already is, so yeah. Let's try this big huge pen mark right here, right there. You can see it there. Let's try it. So it kind of came off. Let's just hope there's not going to be that spot right there. It might need another time, but it's fine as long as it doesn't look dark like that. I'm fine with that. So anyways, let's go back to the LA one. Let me show you guys. That pen mark is pretty much gone. Just waiting for it to dry. Where's the LA one? See, so the LA one didn't quite do much. So I'm gonna go with the alcohol this time. There's one I did not try, which is this one, but I'm afraid. But I tried it on my Michael Kors and I didn't like it. So alcohol seems to work. Let's just let it dry. So I guess I can try that just to show you guys. We'll do it for the video. So that's as bad as much as I'm gonna put on there. I'm scared. I don't know how this is gonna dry. So let's let that soak in while we do another part with the alcohol. The alcohol works, and I'm using the red 91 isopropyl alcohol. I completely forgot. I cut hair, so I keep this little bottle of alcohol in my bag so I can like spray my my shears. So I'm gonna go ahead and start right here. I'm gonna spray this whole piece and just scrub that piece. Excuse the mess in the back. Sorry. Okay, so let's start here. Open. I've ordered my organizer for this bag already, so I'm gonna be waiting for that in the mail. Hopefully it comes soon so I can start using this bag, but I also ordered the leather lotion. So I'm gonna wait for that too. So this is the piece that I put of this stuff. The Grandma's Secret spot remover. I'm still hoping this thing works. If it doesn't work on here, then I'm gonna put a bad review for it. And so far it hasn't worked for pen marks, neither on my Michael Kors bag nor on this bag. On over here, I'm just gonna saturate this. Alcohol evaporates. What? I'm sorry. Again, I'm gently doing this because it's suede. So I'm not like pressing too much. And I'm going in circles. Again, I'm not pressing hard. I'm just like basically like going like that, but obviously like just a little bit of pressure on there. I'm not crazy like rubbing hard. I'm like barely just going in circles. I just want to show you guys what I've been doing to my, excuse my mess, my Louis Vuitton Galliera. I'm cleaning the inside because I bought this pre-loved bag and I didn't look at all these products I'm using. trying these different ones, this Grandma's Secret Remover, this awesome one, and of course alcohol, which I'm using the 90% isopropyl alcohol, and that's what seems to work. Let me show you guys. Look at this smart pen mark. I'm gonna go ahead and go over it with the alcohol, rub it, and it's gonna be gone. 1 second. And there you go, it's gone. Now on to the next one. So I did another one. Well, I can't tell, but I've been working on this and it's coming along much better than how I started with. But I just want to show you guys what I'm doing to take the pen marks away. That I still need to work on some more. See, there's pen mark. I did the inside of this, but it's still wet, so I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. I haven't done this top part, and it looks kind of, I don't know, like kind of just dirty. Then there's more pen marks over here. Anyways, left on it. So I guess I can update you guys to see the results on it tomorrow. This is the end results, guys. You remember that little dot that was here? It's gone. Can't even tell it was there. This, however, it did stay kind of on the dark side, but I'll probably do that another time whenever it's time to clean it again. Eventually it'll be clear, but there's no pen marks anymore. I still see a few, but it's better than how it was, so I'm pretty happy with it. So I'm gonna start using it today. I still gotta clean the leather part. So, yep, it worked. Thanks for watching.